it's been a little damp in here. We're trying to dry out the base layer.
What do you got for practice? Okay, let's not hurt ourselves.
Dude's hauling ass in here. He don't give a fuck. 7:24 a.m. February 3rd, 2024, Waldo, Florida. Swampfest, number 8. We're pouring a permanent concrete bowl. My boy Boone's been here for the past 2 weeks. Formed it up, and yeah, we're gonna have the monster bowl. And this is definitely the biggest and gnarliest concrete thing we've ever done here, for sure. 35 yards, got about 10, 15 people.
It's fucking crazy. These dudes definitely know what they're doing.
Yeah. He's fucking good. Yeah. He's fucking good. Yeah.
So like he goes for it, it's like, dude, absolutely.
Holy shit, look at that guy.
Seville and the dream team making a bowl happen. Bitch.
Alright, so now you need sheets. We let our special Olympics guy start it off. Where's the screw gun? Nice screw gun. Woo!
Guy, man, you can't buy that.
Finally, Farm Boy did something. Why is it wet? Fuck yeah! Sup? It works. Oh, that's the one! Baby! That's what I'm talking about, man! Let me see! Let me see! Come on! My man! Fuck yeah! Damn, son! Yeah!
This is getting sick. We're testing out the Pit Viper flaming rail. Got a bunch of holes drilled in the bottom, and it's gonna have flames wrapping around the top, so you're gonna be going extra fast and extra hot.
Yeah.
I didn't know about that.
Too much?
No, not enough.
Not enough? Okay, here we go.
This is the part when people go, "Ah, man, I really was gonna try something on this, and now I'm not because it's on fire."
What the fuck?
When we're driving around looking for street spots, we just spitball ideas, and yeah, over the course of the year, just
People
come up
really
with
be
random
freaked
shit. This one,
Oh my God, there's a
this
guy
one
on
worked
fire!
out
What the
fucking
fuck?
sick.
Oh my God, the rail's on fire! What the fuck? Oh!
There you go.
That was sick.
Damn, that plastic. That's gonna be a light balance. I think that's possible.
gonna be on all day. It's not going to be your usual trampoline environment. I think we're going to do a little kicker over behind here, and you're going to have a bunch of run up. Keep pulling this kicker back a little bit and see if you can make it the farthest. It's going to be the longest distance to the trampoline, but it's going to be a wild ride for sure.
That might be good.
We're here, the pirate ship, Swampfest 2024. It's looking as crazy as ever. Oh! Wow. Almost went to Davy Jones' locker right there, huh? This thing took 2 long weeks of waking up every day, chipping away at it. Very nice to see it done, very nice to see people shredding it. I think it's 80 feet long or something like that. I could be wrong, but I think it's something like that. It's definitely a monstrosity. And we've got a mini ramp over here on the other side that you could hang out, do some fun little skateboard tricks on, maybe a couple foot jams, and then you could drop into the deep side, get a little crazy, Here is usually where you would keep the pirate's treasure, but instead we formed it out to make it a little curved wall ride, which is definitely pretty crazy. It's kind of tall to get up to, but of course we had Corey Walsh come out, and we're all standing over by the bowl, and we see him going around it no problem, and he said it works. So if you're willing to jump in and go around it, you definitely should. Aesthetic that we got going on, but it is actually a little bit for safety. These are trees, but up top here they get a little wiggly, and our little crow's nest up there definitely isn't pirate safety rated. So try to deter people from getting up the best we can. You can look over the entire course, kind of get a little bird's eye view of what all the madness is going down. It's definitely going to be the perfect view for anything going on the course. And if you get tired and you get a little hot, we even have a little diving platform that you could run and jump, take a little leap into the depths below. Maybe there's some sharks, maybe alligators, or maybe treasure. You got to jump and find out. You got to test it for yourself first. But the water is freezing cold. We tested it. It's probably like 50 degrees. So I would bring a wetsuit if you have one.
Lego's not ruining the log ride this year. That's gonna be a bitch to get across. Weird. Trey had kind of mentioned a barbecue log earlier, and I was just like, oh yeah, the same thing. And then I didn't know that he was calling it that until the fucking flyer came out. It was super surreal. I don't know, it's pretty sick.
Oh god. So now what? Now what?
Oh god. Okay.
There's a lot of idiots here. You think that's alright? I don't really do a rail, so I don't know how to. Is that okay?
YOLO.
Usually waking up really, really early, working all night long, and only eating at the gas station every single day. That's pretty much how it's gone. And I feel great.
No testing, like straight up shit show, just stacking and hoping for the best, and apparently everything worked first go. So I don't know. We did it again. I don't know how.
Source high air quarter, a 10-foot quarter, 10-foot radius. They sent us the dimensions in millimeters. So yeah, this is what we made. And sophisticated shit, dude. I might need to.
This is way too gnarly.
We just got to put it up high enough that people can't steal it. So originally we just like stand on the top of the truck and rub it off, but then we wake up in the morning and it's gone because they just stood on their truck. So now we got to use all this equipment and get it super high so people can't get it. But
I bet you'd be able to reach that from like sitting on the back of your truck or something. Because it's gonna go that way and it's gonna be super hard.
we went and got a bunch of tarps, and we're just gonna set a bunch of poles and try and tarp at least a couple sections so that on Saturday, we still have some obstacles to ride. Yeah, we'll see how it goes. If we do this, it might not rain. If we don't do it, it's gonna pour. So we might end up tearing it down, but I don't know. It's just part of having an outdoor event. And I like it.
Definitely higher.
Way not as fucking grassy as it's like
Yeah,
it's been, yeah.
It's all right.
Yeah.